Want to add a dash of colorful appeal to a small spot like a balcony or a patio? These trailing flowers for hanging baskets are perfect for the job. Lobelia. First on the list of trailing flowers for hanging baskets is Lobelia. It's an excellent choice for a blooming trailing plant, readily available in captivating shades of purple or white. Million bells. These are tender perennials often cultivated as annuals. The plant grows trumpet-like flowers in purple, pink, red, yellow, orange, and white colors. Water hyssop. The next on the list of trailing flowers for hanging baskets is water hyssop. It's quite easy to maintain as long as it gets plenty of sunlight and regular watering. Creeping Jenny. Creeping Jenny is an excellent choice for a trailing plant that gracefully spills out of its basket, showcasing its abundant and beautiful lime green foliage. Fuchsias. Fuchsias rank among the top choices for trailing plants in hanging baskets. Purple Rain or White King are some of the best types for filling baskets with their magnificent blooms. Black-eyed Susan vine. Another trailing flower for hanging baskets is the black-eyed Susan vine. It showcases striking yellow or orange flowers with dark centers. Trailing geraniums. Trailing geraniums make excellent choices for hanging baskets due to their ability to cascade over the container's edges, creating a stunning display of vibrant colors. Petunias. Petunias come in a variety of colors, including white, yellow, pink, purple, and red. They come in both single and double petal types, offering a wide range of choices. Begonia. The next in the list of trailing flowers for hanging baskets is begonias. These are easy to cultivate, which makes them perfect for newbie gardeners. Verbena. Hanging baskets would be incomplete without the presence of bedding verbenias, a staple choice. These charming plants bear small flowers in an array of captivating hues. Cape daisies. Available in a diverse palette ranging from lemon yellow to magenta, these plants flourish in sunny locations and showcase remarkable longevity. Diascia. Diascia, with its enduring bloom, is a tender perennial that displays shades of white, pink, and salmon. Their growth habit makes them perfect candidates for hanging baskets. Nasturtium. Nasturtiums gracefully trail in hanging baskets and flaunt vibrant blooms in hues of orange, yellows, and reds. Lantana. Another trailing flower for hanging baskets is the lantana. It showcases clusters of colorful flowers in shades of pink, orange, and yellow, attracting butterflies and other pollinators. Sweet alyssum. Sweet alyssum grows fragrant flowers in shades of white, pink, or purple. Its compact and cascading growth habit adds a touch of elegance to any hanging basket arrangement. Wax plant. While Hoya carnosa is commonly grown as a trailing vine, it can also be grown in a hanging basket, creating a beautiful cascading effect with its flowers. Purple heart flower. A trailing plant with vibrant purple foliage, it can make a stunning addition to a hanging basket with its small pink-white flowers. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.